Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The Nongkrem dance festival that is held annually in the state had started with the ritual of POMBLANG at Smit in East KHASI Hills on the 11th of November 2021. This is a religious ceremony where prayers are offered to appease the all-powerful female deity, SYNSHAR, for a good harvest and for the well-being of the people. Animal sacrifices are also made and offered to the ancestors and to Shillong. As part of the festivities, unmarried females and males who take their position as protectors of the ladies perform dances to the tunes of the traditional KHASI pipe instrument or TANGMURI. The celebration this year witnessed the presence of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, elected representatives of the state, the Siem of Hima Khairim Balajit Singh Siem, elders of Khairim Siemship, members of the Darbar Shnong of Smit, besides others. Wishing the people of the state on the occasion of Shad Nongkrem, Conrad Sangma informed that it was the first time that he had witnessed such an auspicious ceremony of the KHASI people, and at the same time gave his assurance towards the development of the ceremonial premises through infrastructural support from the government so that the place can be an ideal tourist spot where the rich traditional culture of the state can be showcased to the rest of the world.
Yes, on this occasion of Shad Nongkrem, I would like to wish all the people of our state of Meghalaya, especially our citizens from KHASI Hills, on this very auspicious day. And I would like to thank everybody for inviting me. I am here today to witness a very important ritual called POMBLANG, and this is the first time that I have been in this ritual, and it just reflects and showcases our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to PAEM and to the other elders of CM of Khairim and all the other organizers out here, and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here.